Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy Hivemapper Crypto. It's easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Now on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down and copy the contract address for this token. Once it's copied, head over to the markets, that's where it's being exchanged, and you'd find Radium, Orca, and Jupiter as the decentralized exchanges that it's been hosted on. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Hivemapper Crypto on Jupiter. Simply minimize and open up your Trust wallet or any wallet that supports the Solana transactions. So once you've opened up your wallet, make sure you have some Solana, that's mainnet Solana, on your wallet. If you do not have mainnet Solana, click on buy and simply buy your desired amount with your credit card. So once you've done that, once you've bought some Solana, head to the browser icon at the bottom right. Once there, simply paste the link in the description of the video. And once Jupiter has opened up, click on the connect option and simply switch their places. So we're going to be converting our Solana into the Hivemapper by simply pasting the contract address we copied. And once that's done, click on the honey token, enter the amount of Solana you wish to use, and simply click on swap, and you'd find the honey token on your wallet. And to do this, close your wallet, head to the home, click on the icon at the top right, click on the plus. Where we have network, select Ethereum, scroll till you find the Solana network. Select the Solana network, paste the contract address we copied, click on import, and you'd find the honey token on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.